Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from One Day Saving. They very kindly sent me some goodies. So this first one is, I was going to say for the little ones in your life, but who says the little ones get all the fun? This is for anyone in your life that likes a little bit of a superhero. So these are stickers. They are clear stickers. Now, even though they're folded, they've not folded on any of the stickers at all. But they do have this clear sticker backing. So you can see that's where the diamonds will go on the other side. But they will stick onto anything. And we have a few different little superheroes. You do get a little toolkit, and then it does come with little diamonds. They don't have DMC numbers written on here, but they are standard diamonds rather than special diamonds. But look at some of these colours. So we have yellow, red, orange, another shade of orange, blue, pale pink, greens, blues, whites, all the superhero colours. We have some purple, we do of course have some black, and we have some grey. Now there is quite a bit of black showing there, but don't be sort of put off by that. Apart from Batman, that does have a lot of black, there is a couple with black hair, and the rest, a lot of it is an outline. Is an outline of the image. They have about 4 or 5 different colours each, I'd say. Maybe. I'm trying to think. So there's 4 different colours on that one. 3 different colours on that one. So they are quite simple in that sense. There are a couple more colours on these. But they are quite straightforward for a young person to do, or for an older person to do just because they want to. That's the way I'd see it. Either way would work. But yeah, just something that's a little bit fun, a little bit different for any sort of superhero lover, that you can then add the stickers to other items, you know, whether it be your laptop or your phone if you're older, or your toy box if you're younger. There's a few different heroes, superheroes there for you to do. Do let me know in the comments down below if you have a favourite superhero, that is. You can let me know if you have a favourite one of these unboxings as well. But okay, number 2, I've gone for this one because it's a thinner one. So this is more of a special diamond painting, this one, the special colours. This is down as a 30 by 30. And this is another one of those diamond paintings that have become quite popular now, that have the look of being done with quilling. That's what the sort of image looks like when you first look at it. But they are so striking with diamonds on. I mean, look at it was the colours. It's always the colours with these. They just grab me. You do get a toolkit. There is some really, really fun, colourful ones out there. And I do recommend you check them out. They're a really nice one to do, especially if you've just finished something that's really big. And it's nice to do, or even sometimes part way through doing a big one, it's nice to do one that's just smaller and can be finished quicker and looks pretty, and then you go back to your big one. So we have some really nice bright colours: red, green, blue, yellow, purple, yellow. We have some AB coated blue, some gold. And then we have quite a few different shapes that make up the flowers in purple, 2 different shapes and sizes of red, some silver ones, and look at those gorgeous blue ones as well. They're the big flowers here. Oh, yes. So much fun to do. You can either do it by diamond type. So sometimes I'll do those by diamond, in the fact that I'll just open one bag and do all that diamond on the page, whether it be these special ones, or sometimes I'll start with the smaller ones and add the special ones as just the final warmth. But yeah, very, very reasonably priced to treat yourself to a couple of these, and you know, maybe spend more on your bigger ones, but treat yourself to some small ones as well. I highly recommend adding a couple of small ones or off the canvas items to your orders, just to break up, just to keep the love for diamond painting alive by just bringing in something that you can complete quickly. And then of course you've always got your diamond paintings that are full drill, take a little bit longer and are just gorgeous. So this is down as a 30 by 45. If I measure this, it's curling up on me. This is just over 24 and a half by about 39 and a half. Let me just fold it the other way. This is a poured glue because it is a clear cover. Clear covers tend to be poured glue and they take a little bit more of a beating. You can be a bit more rough handled with those to make them lie flat than you can others. But look, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. I just think it's a really, really pretty sign. The words are clear, which is nice. The bee has got quite a lot of different colours on there, which will really be stunning when the detail comes out. You've even got some subtle flowers in the background, and of course the Be Kind at the bottom. Even these borders round the edge have more than one colour in. It's not just straight borders in one colour. It has got different ones in there which bring the tone in. You do get a toolkit, boat wax pen. And then of course it's a little bit more muted colours in this one, but still some gorgeous colours. So we have some grey and some pale yellow. Find an end. It does have DMC numbers, by the way, but there's your black. We've got blues and greens and greys, some beiges and slight orange, more greens, pale green, yellow and sort of a goldy coloured yellow, browny burgundy, blue. That's the thing with DMC numbers, they're never just brown, are they? Because that's brown, that's browny burgundy. Then we've got greens, more of a pale brown, more greens in different shades, and some more browns and purpley browns, burgundy browns, odd sort of browns, not quite brown. How many different ways can you say brown? Many is the answer to that. Many. They're all ever so slightly different on the shading, and I thought I'd managed to get that in by counting the right amounts, but obviously I'd not. So let's try that again. Try and get that in. They change each time. Some of them can fit sort of 3 rows, some of them 4. Some of them, even though it's 4, they fold up on themselves and never get them back the same way. But yeah, I thought that was a lovely, striking one. Looks like an old sign, so maybe nice putting up in a kitchen. Maybe I could imagine that going up in a kitchen. Maybe that's just me and my decor style, but I like it. I hope you do too. Then we have big and vibrant special diamond painting and some superheroes for everybody. because everybody, pretty much everybody, deserves a sticker anyway, for definite. Everybody deserves a sticker. So I'll pop links for these down below, of course, but thank you to One Day Saving for sending them to me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.